Hi, welcome back. In this session, we are going to see transactional process for credit memo. In previous session, we have seen the config. What is the basic difference when you compare it with sales order configuration? Okay, let's try to check. Okay, so for your regular invoice, you create it VA01, VL01, VF01. Okay, if you find inconsistency, some amount is supposed to pay back to your customer, therefore that we will write a credit memo. Okay, let's see an S4 HANA system. So this is S4 HANA 2020. So let's try to take the document type dir. Okay, let me try to take the division. Okay, so let's press enter. Let's enter the customer details. Okay, CR demo, credit memo demo. Let's put the 1. Okay, let's take this. Let me try to take. This is the material. I'm just taking the 10 bags. Okay. So now you can see this is the unit of measurement. Sales unit is bag actually. So if you see 10 bags we have taken, 10 bags is 1000. Let's double click here. So let's go to the conditions. You can see each bag is 100 euro. Okay, 10 bags means 1000. Okay, so let me try to show you. You can see one bag equal to 5 pieces. Okay, so this is the case. Let's try to go to edit and check incomplete log. So now document is complete. Let's save this. Let's try to deliver this 10 bags. 10 bags is 1000. Okay, this is the sales order got saved. Okay, let's press enter. Try to check the details. So you have this 10 bags here. So let's try to do the delivery. This one. Let me try to check some 17th. Let me try to take the shipping point here. Let's see this. Let's come here. Give your storage location from where you'd like to remove the inventory. Let's do the picking. Okay. Let's do the post goods issue. So our system is a bit slow. No issues. So the period is not open for account type S for this particular GL account. Let's try to resolve this one first. Okay. Let's go back. First save this one. Okay. Let's go to M1 PV. Let's try to execute this one. Okay. So let's try to do this. Okay. Let me go to OB52. So this is an OB52. Let's try to, someone has changed the period, maybe because of some back post testing. AVB, allowed back posting, will be there. Maybe someone has done at finance end. Let's try to do this. So S is for customer actually. So let's try to save this. Okay. Now go to VL02N. Let's try to do the PCI now. So outbound delivery got posted. So let's try to do the bill actually. So let's try to execute. Okay. So like, you can see the net value is, each one is 100, 10 bags. Each bag is 100 euros in this scenario. Let's save this. So invoice got posted. Let's go on, check accounting entries for this. Okay. Let's click on the accounting document. So now you see customer account is debited, revenue account will be credited uh, at the time of clearing and finance side. So now you have opposite entries. So this is the thing. Let's try to observe one thing. Okay. Now go to VA03 for sales order. Let's go to the doc flow. Okay. Probably we can observe. Currently, if you see document flow at the item level, so you have each bag is 5 pieces. 10 bags means 50 pieces. You can able to see this. All 50 pieces are there. Okay, it's got completed. Let's try to understand one thing. Okay, out of this 50 pieces, okay, so assume that some where, like, 2 bags means 10 pieces got damaged. What should you do? Okay, we can able to create a credit memo for 2 bags. It is 200 euros you're supposed to pay back to your customer. Okay, let's click this. So take the document type invoice. Let me try to show you. Now go to VA01. Okay, create with reference. So like you got a 2 bags got damaged. Each bag is under 200 euros you're supposed to pay back. Okay, so let's copy this. So F2 DO are not supported. Okay, this is copy control issue. Let's try to resolve this one. VO V sorry, VTAA. So this is the copy control for order to order. You aware of this one? I have given the shortcut instead of going to config. So let's try to check. Regularly it is with, sorry, this is not order to order. We have to check with reference to billing, right? VTAF. Okay. Now go to the position. What is your billing document? It is F2. What is your sales document type? OR. For DOR you don't have, right? Okay. So let's come here. Document type is CR. This is F2. Okay. This is the basic copy control. I'm just copying this. So I'm just copying F2 to CR. I think F2 to CR it should work. Okay, I have taken wrong one. 1 second. So here we supposed to create a credit memo, not order. Okay, let's come here. Create with reference. Take your billing document. Okay, let's click on copy. Now see, all goods are damaged, then you have to pay it back. But it is not like that. Take this 2 bags. 2 bags means each bag is 100, 200. Okay, let's double click and go to the conditions. Okay, let's wait 1 moment. So net value 200 is supposed to pay back to your customer. So this request we have created, it will go to your finance department. Okay, so let's save this. So let's try to fill an incomplete log is there. Okay, it's asking for what reason. This is also one of the standard. So if you would like to convert them this warning message to error message, so maybe because of customer recommendation, he is saying that offline discussion happened, so he don't want two goods, spoiled goods. He don't want two spoiled goods against two good goods, so he want the money back. Or else your company policy is also like that only. Okay, let's go back. Let's try to save this. Okay, now let's try to do the bill. Okay, let's come here. Let's try to execute first. So it is saying incorrect. Why? Because it has a bill. Go to edit and try to check the log quickly. Okay, now see the document is blocked for billing. If you go technical analysis, it will talks about the same thing. So now let's go to, just for understanding, I just did it. So if someone is from ECC background, they're well aware of this one. Let's save this. Okay, let's try to do the bill. Bill means you're paying credit memo, right? So you can see this. This is a 200 you are paying. Okay, now go to VF02. Let's try to observe the first document flow. See, credit sales, this is the order got created, this is the outbound delivery, this is invoice, this is the credit memo request which is got settled down. Let's try to check this one, same thing at item level. Okay, so actual invoice is 1000, but to the 200 it is paid back to your customer because 2 bags got spoiled. Now let's try to go back and try to check the accounting entries. See, so here customer account will be credited and your revenue account will be debited. You can able to see the posting entry. Okay, this is 40. What is 40 talks about? 40 is all about your debit entry. Okay, this is how you can able to create with reference to invoice. Okay, let's go back. and try to check. We have seen this scenario, whereas 100 bags and 9 bags, €5 difference we have seen. So probably like you can able to create with order reference and without reference also credit memo. Let me try to check VA01 CR. You can take directly like this. Okay. For this customer, maybe you're supposed to pay back €5 tax. Okay. You can take, so like quantity is like this, no issues. Okay. Let's come here, go to the conditions, try to make it as €5. Okay, net is €5. Here it is enabled. Maybe you can try to map accordingly. Okay, €5 you are paying back. I'm just showing the reference. At this time, I'm just taking back the this one. So like let's try to check. Order reason can be like price difference. Okay, or any other. We can take the price was too low. So you can able to create it. Tax differences like that, you can able to create the order reason also. Okay, as of now I'm just taking this one probably like this. So maybe because of this thing, let's save this. Now let's try to do the credit memo. Okay, so they have given bottom of the screen now. Okay, let's try to save this. So your credit memo generated. Let's press enter. So this is for €5 you paid. This is how you can able to create the credit memo. In the similar way, you can able to try another scenario. Just try to create a copy control with reference to order also. Okay. So that's it. You can take that third scenario as an assignment. Just some change in copy control to get copy. Okay. So this is all about the transaction flow of your credit memo process. For second one, if you would like to see, you can able to see this. So there is no reference documents since you have created without reference. We'll have this how you paid the €5. Okay. So like if you come here, currently I'm holding 2,424 students and 230 almost 200 uh, 20 plus positive reviews, 10 here and there will be there, mixed reviews. So if you see, this is the sales and distribution course available in ECC. You can able to join that. S4 HANA 2020 course will be available soon. And this is for pricing. If you have doubts, you can able to subscribe. You are beginner then. And this is the business partner concept. If you are not yet introduced to S4 HANA, this is the first course you have to do it. Here CV integration will be there. There are three kind of scenarios I have explained with in terms of number ranges, all real-time scenarios. These will be there, nothing more than that as of now. If you are not yet introduced to real-time, if you'd like to learn how to write a functional specification, last 4 to 5 sections specifically explained the practical manner live functional spec writing. So this is for FSCM integration, your credit management settings, which you found in ECC. Those are got moved to finance module. How to handle, how to work with your finance consultant in the similar way. SD business processes, your intercompany sales, stock transfer in S4 HANA, stock transfers in ECC like that in a few set of courses available. Yeah, so these links I'm giving below of this video. If you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, it is a direct video for Udemy learning also some parts. Thank you very much. Have a great day.